So I bought a new, the fuck did I buy? So I bought a new monitor. Not the monitors, but the monitor display screen. Well, here it is, a big box. The bigger the box, the bigger the pee-pee. A lot of cables. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the cable number 1, cable number 2, cable number 4. In total, 4 cables, which makes it really exciting because the more cables, the better the screen. So now we got a challenge, because this isn't just a screen, it is a big ass screen, and it weighs 16 kilograms. Oh, there we go. Wasn't that hard actually. So this is one of the, oh my god. Get the hell out, get out. Oh my god, it is so big and it is so curved. Get the hell out of here. Stop it, touch. Shit, it's gonna be harder than I expected. Okay, here's a big screw, but this big screw... Oh, there are screws. Oh, fuck this. I don't have a screwdriver. You get the hell out of here. What do you mean? There are signs on this that I don't understand. Signs of a different life. Well, this is G class. G, this is good. Class. Oh, something popped up here. Bro. Go in. Okay, I don't have a screwdriver. I don't have a screwdriver. Okay, you pop it in, right? Oh, there we go. Boom. Okay, all I need right now is a screwdriver, which I don't have. What can I use as a screwdriver? Vote in the comments. Why do I not have a screwdriver here? You can use a screwdriver as a screwdriver. That's so smart, you know? That sucks. I gotta buy a screwdriver. What man am I if I don't have a screwdriver? Am I even a man? Yeah, I might be a man. Because if I'm not a man and I don't have a screwdriver, then if a woman has a screwdriver, is a woman man? Look. Like here and here, see these? 1 and 2. Gotta screw them in. But I don't have a screwdriver. Get in. What the hell are you waiting for? Can you stop spinning? This guy is spinning like it's on the dance floor. First thing I'm gonna do on this monitor is I'm gonna order a screwdriver. I'm using this small knife to screw things in. It's just like a huge pain in the ass. I wasn't even eating any spicy food. If there's a dad, right, who has a kids, he's making a lot of dad jokes. What makes me, if I make dad jokes, am I dad? This is not even going in. How about this? How about scissors? No, this is not working. Bro, if I only had a screwdriver. Oh. Sick. Okay, I did it. 1 is sitting there. That's progress. I am seriously sweating right now. That is not easy if you don't have a screwdriver. Okay, I think I need a big brain time. I'm gonna make a screwdriver. That's holding pretty good. So actually, in the meantime, I found this. This is the thing you use to peel the vegetables. Let's see if it actually goes here. Oh, holy shit. That works. Oh, that's smooth. Ha! You don't need a fucking screwdriver. Screw this screwdriver. So I make dad jokes if I'm a dad. That makes me a dad. Do I have kids or do I not have kids? Where are my kids? Who are my kids? Dude, this is so much better. And you can screw this to the maximum. Oh my god, that's already done. Different idea I had for a screwdriver is to mount this guy into this guy just for the length, then chop this guy. This is, you know, it bends a little bit, but if we could kind of like lock it, take this, because there are like rows here, like lock this inside, and if we put this inside, I would need to make a cut in this guy. So it like stands there from the bottom, and the top is like having the shape so it can go inside. I can start screwing. But this is much better. Let's see if it stands actually, if it breaks. Oh my god, this is big. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. The fuck did I do? Whoa, you can reload your monitor? Oh my god, do not fall, bridge. Oh my god, that's so big.
No signal HDMI. Check the cable connect.
No, bro, dude, this is crazy. Oh, I'm gonna mount the lights right now. Oh my god, this is so small. What is this packaging, dude? What is this packaging? This is the most stupid packaging I've ever seen. Oh my god, you need a screwdriver for this? Bro, look, what's so wide screen. Is this already 240 Hertz? Why you wide again? Adaptive sinks, adaptive dick. Stop that. Why you keep getting wide? Stop getting wide. Yeah, it's still 60 Hz. Please don't get big. Oh, bro. Yes. Oh my god, that's so smooth. You cannot see this, but god damn, it's smooth. So here's what a setup looks like right now. I had to move the monitors to the sides because they were behind the display screen. I didn't hear anything because it's so wide. And as you can see, the camera now has a power supply and it has a cable that goes straight into the computer. And I have a camera right here in OBS. I have a split screen. Don't have to move any cards into the PC. I don't have to charge the goddamn battery anymore. It's so much better. And I have to say, this screen, although it looks very big, it takes some time. It takes a couple of days to get used to it. Once you get used to it, I would say it's just an amazing experience to use. So we have a little bit of the time. We're gonna make a beat in a second, but I'm gonna answer the biggest upcoming question of this video. And I'm gonna answer the question, can you make music on this screen? So the answer is, hell yeah, you can. But like the thing you gotta keep in mind if you plan on buying something like this is that if you wanna work on something like this, it's kind of not really usable because it is wide as hell and you gotta travel to this part of the monitor and you gotta travel to this part of the monitor. And if your monitor is too close to your face, you'll just bend your neck left and right too much. And that's, I wouldn't say it's an ideal situation. So when I'm working on a tune, I still keep the 27-inch 16:9 ratio monitor. You may ask me, why the hell then did you buy the wide one? For purposes like this, like recording videos or different stuff, I just like the extra space. I like to put stuff in here. At the beginning, I was like, oh my god, it's pretty uncomfortable to use at the beginning. But I gave myself a couple of days and I can totally say that this is pretty good. So let's make a tune.
I don't wanna feel your fingertips on my skin. I don't wanna feel your touch if it's empty again.
That's kind of cringe. Put a gunshot rag onto this. Oh, now all the plugins are being opened on the left side, so like you can see a part of it here. I don't really need to care about this.
I don't wanna feel your fingertips on my skin.
Put a full tool on it. So we're gonna do a rhythm like this for the vibes. How about this? If we push this down, check this out.
Where's that echo?
It's cool. Okay, we need drums to know what's going on. 4. Okay, so we need like... yeah, something like this. Oh, exactly. Okay, adjust the volumes. We're gonna need to put punch on the whole group. Boom. So I made a preset. So before and after. I'll tell you. I'm not sure about this though. That's cool, but it doesn't work. So I'm gonna start something different. Still, I'm gonna be using this rack. Isolate the bass. This is clicky. Too clicky. See the trends? We can automate this and be like, oh, this is sick. See, we're making it longer in this place. Ooh. Ooh. Check this. Ooh, hell yeah. I cannot look at this. Give me a normal skin. Hell yeah. Seems like we need some more like a super solid kind of thing. Ooh, is this it? What is going on? What is making like... What am I tweaking? Oh, because this is delayed again. This loves to do this. This kind of works. Okay, we need a... Can you work? 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 Float F. Okay, we can also put this rack here. We add utility on this. It works perfectly. Then switch one to down. So like wow, wow, wow. Okay, I think I'm gonna write automation manually. Why the camera is not working? This is bullshit. So this is gonna be in half. I'm gonna freeze all the tracks except of the bass because the bass is controlled. And we need to, because there's an LFO, there's some long processing going on and the sound is just like really messy in terms of like there are clicks happening and sound is repeating when it shouldn't. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna export that into the new track. Like I'm just gonna cut the parts here that I think should not be here. So this is controlled. I would tweak the lead because it's very sharp and it's very kind of glassy and I don't like it. Like kind of clicky. Yeah, but this is the whole thing. Hell yeah, okay, that's it. Hope you indeed enjoyed and I will see you in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.